Hi, welcome to my kitchen, and welcome back to Cooking Show at Home. In my last video, I showed you how to make homemade cream cheese using just 3 ingredients: milk, lemon juice, and a bit of salt. Plus, optionally, some heavy cream for extra creaminess. If you missed that video, I'll attach a link to it at the end of this one. So today, I decided to turn that cream cheese into a classic New York cheesecake. As always, you can find the full list of ingredients in the description below. And please, help me grow my channel by liking this video and subscribing if you haven't yet. Let's start with the crust. Crust the graham crackers with your hands or a fork until you have fine, even crumbs. Melt a stick of butter in the microwave for about 30 seconds and mix it with the crumbs, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Gently press the crumb mixture into the bottom of the springform pan using a cup with a flat bottom. Place the pan on a baking sheet and bake for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. While the crust is baking and cooling, combine the cream cheese, eggs, sour cream, sugar, salt, and lemon zest in a large mixing bowl. Beat with an electric mixer on medium speed for about 4 minutes until smooth, soft, and creamy. Pour the filling into the cooled crust. Triple wrap the pan in heavy-duty aluminum foil. This helps the cheesecake bake evenly. Gently crimp the foil around the top edge of the pan. Place the springform pan in the oven and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 1.5 hours.
Later.
Take it out and let it cool slowly for about an hour. This will help prevent cracks on the surface. Once cooled, remove the cheesecake from the springform pan. top it with jelly and fresh berries, and enjoy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes from around the world. Bye for now.